after Thanksgiving, sitting in the same chair, waiting on a load. Me and Kitty. Shouldn't be holding Kitty. You bandit. You bandit. He's still just a little kitty. Shouldn't really be holding him. I'm allergic to cats. Waiting to see if we end up with a load today. Go trucking. Fireball's back, ready to go. I'm all showered up, ready to go. Put my deodorant on, beard butter. You got to kitty. So he's supposed to be in the house. I'm allergic to cats. Smokey's out on the porch, so we got Smokey and Bandit. They're waiting on a load. Let's see if we get going today or not. I'm free. I fell out of my truck. I'm free. I get to escape the bathroom remodel for a couple days. Woohoo! We're going to work. That's what I like to see. Fireball's already running. We're thinking. Go ahead and do my walkabout. Kick the tire. Me and Billy are running together, so we'll check things out. First up, got off the fuel. Is Billy gonna follow me? Come on, Billy. Must be finally getting ready to connect this last little stretch of 67 in Missouri and another little stretch in Arkansas. They must be finally getting ready to connect that. It's only been almost 15 years, if not more. Oh, here we are. Going past Taylor's. I don't know what they call it nowadays. Used to be Taylor State Line Truck Stop. To have some of the best shrimp in that little restaurant there. Welcome. Welcome to Arkansas. You know why they don't have any pirates in Kansas? Because they all moved to Arkansas. Get it? Alright. We are loaded. Billy's backing in. Get loaded now. I gotta finish strapping and new gloves. Get there, you got new gloves. We get her strapped down real quick. We'll start to Kansas. That's the plan anyway. Let's go down and give Billy a hand. And this is home for the night. Kind of a consistent struggle, and I can't stress it enough, especially on the E-logs, is you drive too far and you get to a point where there's nowhere else to go and you can't find a place to park. Kind of screwed. And so that's kind of where we're at right now. Is get up to Harrisonville. We take a chance of not having a parking spot, and then if we technically had enough hours to make it up to where we're supposed to deliver at, but we've never been there. And don't know if we can even park there. So that's kind of, like I said, it's kind of a struggle on how, go, no, whoa. But we did 447 miles total today. Not a bad gig. Not a bad gig. We might end up doing this run again this week, and then maybe next week too. Just got to kind of see how it goes. So we're gonna Warm us up something other to eat here.